Hello guys, so in this video we will see how to convert our ebook to an audiobook using Python. So let's start. So first we have to install two Python libraries using pip install. First is pyttsx3 and next is pypdf2. So here first I've imported both the libraries. Then I've opening my book in reading in binary format. Then using pdf2.pdf file reader, I am telling my program to read the book which I have opening. And in pages variable, I have stored all the pages of my book. So here I am initializing my speaker using pyttsx3.init method. So here in for num in range, I have set the range from 7, pages. So pages is the total number of pages we have in our book and 7 is the starting page from where I wanted the program to read my book. Using pdfreader.getPage, the program keep on turning the page from starting till the end. Here I've extracted the text from our page. Here I'm telling the speaker to say the text that I have extracted from the page. And then using speaker dot run and wait, I'm telling the speaker to take a pause between every sentence.
To Thomas, Samuel and Rosalind Continuum International Publishing Group, The Tower Building, 15 East 26th Street, 11 York Road, New York, NY 10010, London SE1 7NX. Copyright sign Madsen Piri 2006. All rights reserved. No part of this publication may be reproduced or transmitted in any form or by any means, electronic or mechanical, including photocopying, recording, or
Thank you guys. That's all from my side. I provide the source code for this in the description. And don't forget to subscribe my channel if you like